Hey guys, if your internet keeps disconnecting on your computer while you're gaming, then not to worry, as in this video I'm going to provide you with a bunch of troubleshooting steps to speed up your internet connection and to prevent any further connection issues. So let's jump straight into it, and for the best results I'd recommend to follow along with each of these steps that I'm about to share. Now first thing we need to do is head over to our start menu by pressing the Windows key, and you need to search for CMD and then right click on command prompt and make sure to run as administrator. Inside of here you need to type in the following commands: ipconfig/release and hit enter. Then type in ipconfig/flush DNS and hit enter. Then ipconfig/renew and hit enter. Then you need to type in netsh int IP reset and hit enter. And lastly we need to type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter one last time. I will also leave all of these commands in the video description so you guys can copy and paste them, and then we can head out of this command prompt window. In order for these changes to take effect, I'd now recommend restarting your computer, and once your computer's restarted, we need to head over to the start menu and search for settings. Then tap on the settings tab and come over to network and internet from the left here, scroll all the way down to advanced network settings and scroll down once more to where it says network reset, and then we can press this reset now button. Press yes to confirm, and once again this will require you to restart your computer. Once your computer's turned back on, we can then head back over to the start menu and search for settings, tap on the settings icon and scroll all the way down to where it says Windows Update, and we're going to press this check for updates button just to ensure we're running the latest version of Windows, as outdated software can cause connection issues and problems with our internet. If you do have an update available, just make sure to install it here, and once that's completed we can then head out of this window, head over to the start menu and search for Device Manager, and then tap on the Device Manager tab. Come down to where it says Network Adapters and expand this list, and you need to locate your network adapter. Mine's this Intel Wi-Fi one here. It should have Wi-Fi within the name. Then we can right click on it and select update driver. Click search automatically for drivers, and as you can see I'm already running the latest driver, so we can head out of that window, and then we're going to right click on the network adapter once more, click on disable device, then we need to right click on it again and we're going to re-enable the device. Now lastly we're going to right click on this one more time and come into properties, come over to the power management tab, and for this checkbox that says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, we need to leave this unchecked. Then you can press OK to save these changes. You can then close out of this window, and next thing we're going to do is head to the start menu and search for control panel, tap on the control panel tab, make sure view by is set to category, and then come into network and internet. Inside of network and sharing center, and from the left click change adapter settings. Then you need to locate the network that you're connected to and right click on the Wi-Fi and select properties, come over to configure. Inside of the power management tab we also want to ensure that this box is unchecked here. You can then close out of these windows, and from the desktop down in the taskbar you need to left click on your Wi-Fi symbol, select the list of networks available, and then click this little eye icon in the right here to bring up the properties menu. Now to improve your connection we need to change this from a public network to a private network, and you also need to ensure that meter connection is disabled and turned off, and then we can head out of this window. Then the next thing we need to do is head back to the start menu, and this time we're going to search for services, tap on the services tab and scroll all the way down this list, and we're looking for a process called WLAN autoconfig. Once you've found WLAN autoconfig, we're first going to double click on it, and if the service status is set to running you need to press stop, and we're going to restart it by clicking start. Then make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and we can press apply and OK to save those changes. Then the very last thing we're going to do is head out of here and back to the start menu, search for control panel and tap on the control panel tab once more, change the view by from category to large icons, and then come inside of the power options. Whatever power plan you have selected here, we need to click the change plan settings next to it, click on change advanced power settings, and from this list of items you should see something called wireless adapter settings. We need to expand that inside of power saving mode. Then we need to make sure both of these are set to maximum performance, both the on battery and also plugged in, and then you can press apply and OK to save your changes. And that's it guys. Hopefully by following all of these steps that should have fixed any connection issues you're having while gaming. If this video did help you then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.